What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and I'm here with Litheli, the power tools of the future. We can see here we got a bunch of different options here, from leaf blowers to hedge trimmers. But if you check out over there, we actually have a battery-powered lawnmower. How cool is that?
That's the world's first.
This is a brushless lawnmower, similar that you'd find on those really, really good RC cars. It's got a very powerful motor and absolutely wireless. Awesome to see. But before we get started, a quick shout out to our sponsor, Vegas Near Me. This is my first time going to Las Vegas, Nevada for CES 2025, and I couldn't have done it without Vegas Near Me. This app is amazing. It gives you a 3D map with every single location or point of interest or show, along with the show times, information, videos, and so much more. Definitely check it out at the link below. Let's get back to the video. MikeTheTech here, and I'm here with the company Litheli, and we're taking a look at their smart home power tools. Why don't you tell me a little bit more about them?
Hey guys, I'm Crystal with Litheli. Thank you for coming to the booth. So I would definitely say that the biggest draw for Litheli is that this battery pack that you see here will charge and run all of these products that you see on display. So from the smallest drill to the lawnmower that's behind you that you guys were looking at before, to the snowblower.
Oh, nice.
I'm an upstate New Yorker, so snowblowers are really important to my life. So you can put this in any of the drills. Here you can put this in the power washer, the drills here, and you'll be able to run it.
Literally one battery to rule them all.
Just the one battery to rule them all. I love that. So it'll go in this way, just like that. Push it in. Make sure it's secure.
Wow. And then pop it out with just that. Easy.
Just pop it out. Super easy.
Very, very cool. And this basically, it looks like it works like a standard battery pack, right?
It's a standalone charger.
That's awesome.
So you can also use it to charge your cell phone, your laptop, anything that you have that you need to be charged. And you can charge it. You don't need a docking station. You can charge it with just a regular USB, plug it into the wall.
Nice.
Takes about an hour and 10 minutes to fully charge this pack. And then you can use it to charge your devices.
And 12,500 milliamp hours is nothing to scoff at. Nice. Thank you so much for
You're
showing me these.
welcome. Thanks for stopping, guys.
Yeah.
Interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,